Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to my channel Srishti Tutorial for Maths. Now we are going to discuss it about some important multiple choice questions on English grammar for SSLC, PUC and all competitive exams. The first question, we dash at the hotel when started raining. Here in the sentence, it describes an event that happened in the past so that the past tense of the verb to be is required. So past tense form of the we is right, that is were, so that option B is the right answer. And the next question, the teacher asked us dash the assignment by next week. In this question, the verb ask, it is a typically followed by an object and an infinitive verb when giving an instruction or request, right? So that the complete sentence is, the teacher asked us to finish the assignment by next week. So that the right answer is option C, to finish. Next question, the movie was so boring that I dash asleep. This sentence requires the simple past tense form of the verb fall. So that the simple past tense form of the verb fall is fell. So the right answer is option B, fell. And next question is, my mother dashed to the market every morning. The sentence uses the phrase every morning, which indicates a habitual action or a daily routine. So that the simple present tense is used for such actions. The third person singular subject, my mother, that the verb needs an S at the end. So the goes is the correct form of the verb to go. So that goes is the right answer. Okay, next question is, she dashed studying for her final exams all week. The sentence is in the present perfect continuous tense and which describes an action that started in the past and it is still continuing. So that the correct structure for the third person singular subject, that is she, has been. So that the right answer is option A, has been. Next question, I can't believe I dash my keys at home again. In this sentence, I can't believe is in the present tense, right? But the action of leaving the keys happened in the past relative to the time of speaking, right? So that the sentence structure requires the past tense verb left, right? So the right answer is option B, left. Next question, we dash to the beach if the weather is nice. Actually, in the given sentence, the condition is if the weather is nice. It is a simple present tense, so that the result clause requires the future simple tense, which is will go. So that the right answer is will go. Okay, next question. She is really good dash playing the piano. So the actually sentence requires a preposition. The correct preposition to use with the adjective good when talking about a skill or ability, that is at. So that the right answer is option C, at. And next question, I cannot go out dash, it stops raining. Here the sentence requires a conjunction that indicates a point in time up to which an action continues or event occurs, right? So that the conjunction is until used in the sentence. So the right answer is option A, until. So next, you should always dash your seat belt in the car. Actually, in the sentence uses modal verb should, okay? So the modal verbs are always followed by the base form of the verb. So the base form of the verb in this context is wear. So that the right answer is option C, wear. So in the next question, what is the plural form of foot? Actually, foot is an irregular noun in English, so that it does not follow the standard rule of adding s or es. Instead, the plural form of foot is feet. So that option B is the right answer, feet. And the next question, I don't like coffee dash I prefer tea. Actually in the sentence require a conjunction. So that the right conjunction used in the sentence is option A, but. And next question, they will arrive dash the party begins. So actually in the question, it requires a conjunction that indicates the arrival happens prior to the start of the party. Here in the sentence, the first event happened earlier than the second event. So that the before conjunction is used to this sentence. Therefore, option A is the right answer, before. And the next question, he dash his friend tomorrow. Actually, the question requires a verb in the future tense because the time indicator tomorrow refers to a future time, right? In the given options, the correct future tense form is will meet. So that the right answer is option C, will meet. And next question, the car is dash the garage. The sentence requires a preposition that indicates the location of the car within the garage, right? So the preposition in is used to show the something is contained inside a space or enclosure. So the right answer is option D, in. And next question, what is the antonym of nebulous? Actually, antonym means opposite word. So the opposite word of nebulous is option B, clear. And the next question, they have been friends dash childhood. The correct preposition to use with the present perfect tense when referring to specific starting point in time, that is since. So the given options, the right answer is option C, since. And next question, the dog dash under the table right now. So the sentence requires the present continuous tense because of the phrase right now, which indicates the action happening at the current moment. So therefore, the right option is option D, is sleeping. And the next question, she is really skilled dash playing the guitar. The sentence requires the preposition. So the correct preposition to use with the adjective skilled when describing ability in an activity, that is at. So that the right answer is option C, at. And next question, I dash my phone at home this morning. Actually in this sentence, it requires a past tense verb because the time reference this morning and it indicates the completed action in the past. So that the simple past tense of the verb leave, that is left. So the right answer is option C, left. And next, the simple question, choose the correct spelling. All of the given options, exaggerate spelling is E-X-A-G-G-E-R-A-T-E. So that the option B is the right answer. And the next question, I can't believe you dash that movie, it was terrible. Actually, the sentence expresses disbelief about a past action. The speaker thought the movie was bad, so they are surprised that the other person liked it in the past. Okay. Hence, the right answer is option A, liked. Okay, next question. My grandmother is dash than my grandfather. This sentence requires a comparative adjective to compare the age of the grandmother and the grandfather. So the correct comparative form of the adjective word is older. So that the right answer is option C, older. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please subscribe my channel Srishti Tutorial for Maths and like the video, comment and share the video. Once again, thank you very much. Bye bye.